Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbster Games. In today's video, I will show you how to create a juicy camera shake in Unity. When we think about camera shake, Perlin noise would be a concept to learn first, at least on a high level. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, share this tutorial, and hit subscribe for more awesome tutorial videos. Now, let's begin. Perlin noise is a gradient noise function that generates smooth, continuous random patterns. It creates natural-looking variations in textures and movement. In Unity, you can access Perlin noise through this method, mathf.perlinnoise. In this example, use the scene from the infinite loop background tutorial to show you how to add the camera shake. On the camera of the scene, add a camera shake script. This script is for shaking the camera for a specified duration with a given intensity. Initially, we will establish the float parameters for frequency, duration, maximum angle, and magnitude. Next, generate an IE numerator specifically for shaking and incorporate the four variables as inputs. In the process, we will seed some random values to Perlin noise to enhance its randomness. The Perlin noise values create random offsets on each axis and angle, resulting in a seamless and organic shaking effect. While some prefer the shaking to occur only along the X and Y axes for 2D games, I personally like some slight angle variation as well, as I find it creates a more natural feel. After the camera shake, reset the camera position and rotation back to 0 to avoid an odd appearance post-shake. Ensure the camera shake occurs regularly to allow us to observe the impact. We then can test it on the UI and adjust the variables accordingly to control the duration and intensity of the camera shake to achieve the desired shake effect for the game. Overall, mastering the art of creating an impressive camera shake using Perlin noise opens up new possibilities for captivating visuals and engaging game design. If you found this video helpful and want more tutorial videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. Let me know if there is any topic you would like me to cover, and I will try to incorporate that into our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!